Good day to you all, I'm Terry, and today I'm honored to introduce to you to our factory. Here at Aolong, we manufacture SPC, PVC and WPC vinyl floors. So today, I'm going to take you around our factory. Come with me. Okay, so we welcome you to our warehouse. This is where we store our finished goods, and it's almost 2,000 square meters big. So as you can see, we have other products that are ready to be shipped out, which means if you place your order, it will be ready to be shipped out with a very short period of time. So you can see as well, we have different brands, which means that we can do OEM and ODM services to you. And also, if you want to get more information about us, the information is available in the description below. So let's continue with our factory tour. So now I'm going to take you to our assembling processing machines. So that was a quick tour of our factory. Now I'm going to take you to our sales department. So this is our sales department. We have our local and our international offices right here. We also have our QC and our engineering team to support for the after-sales services. I hope you had a beautiful tour, and if you want to contact us, you can just contact us on our social media and through our phones. Have a wonderful day.